Hello, and welcome to the overview of Sage HRMS Payroll. When you first launch Sage HRMS Payroll, you will be greeted by a welcome page where you will find quick links for help and support, the latest Sage HRMS Payroll user manuals, and information about training, new features, and more. This includes the ability to give product feedback directly to Sage. In addition to the Sage resources, you also have the ability to add custom links to the items you use most often and the places you visit regularly. When you are ready to view or edit information about an employee, the taskbar allows you to quickly navigate throughout the system. With the Employee Find feature, you can search for an employee by part or all of their name, their employee ID, and their status from within the company. You also have the ability to further define the parameters of your search. This drastically decreases the amount of time used to find an employee. Below, you can view basic employee information at a glance without having to go into multiple screens or run multiple reports. Once you've selected the employee you want to work with, you'll have access to their demographic information such as their address, phone number, and email. You can track their EEO classification information, and you can even upload an employee photograph. When it comes to your employee's payroll, you can track organizational and workers' compensation information. You have the ability to assign shifts and even overtime schedules. You have the ability to track an unlimited number of earnings and deductions. You can set start and stop dates, standard rates for the employee and employer, designate earning-specific workers' comp classifications or GL disbursements. You can set your payroll expenses and liabilities to track up to 10 segments for a GL account number. You can even create pay period, annual, or lifetime minimums and maximums if needed. Sage HRMS Payroll is compliant with both the US and Canadian taxation requirements. It is designed to allow you to add taxes as needed. Additionally, you have the ability to store other information for an employee, such as an alternate address, emergency contacts, and notes about the employee. You even have the ability to set up optional fields. You can allow your employees to use pay cards or direct deposit into an unlimited number of accounts. Plus, when multiple accounts are used, setup for this can be in either flat amounts or percentage of earnings. If employees are subject to garnishments, such as a levy or child support, you can track all of the applicable case information here. And you can even send child support payments via electronic fund transfer, or EFT, to the states that require mandatory e-filing. You will have the ability to view a complete history of month, quarter, and year-to-date accumulators for all earnings, deductions, and accruals. If you need to drill down even further into the individual's check, you will be able to see all earnings, deductions, taxes, even the employer's share of those deductions and taxes, and what direct deposit accounts were used. Sage HRMS Payroll also gives you the ability to accrue time off, see previous year carryover, hours used, and up-to-date time off balances. If you would like to track additional employee information, Sage HRMS Payroll offers an intuitive design tool that will give you the ability to design your own custom pages with ease in a matter of minutes. You can track company property that you've issued to your staff, license information, additional 401k information, or maybe even a new hire or exit checklist. The possibility is endless, and you can have as many custom details as you want. Once you're ready to process your payroll, the customizable payroll map will give you the flexibility to incorporate all steps, whether part of the core Sage HRMS Payroll or a custom integration, that are required for you to complete your payroll process. From timesheet import or time card exception management, to gross to net calculations, check printing, and EFT file creation, you can even add a step for a custom GL export for use with your accounting software. Tax reporting and filing couldn't be easier with the fully integrated Sage tax forms and e-filing through Atrix. You will be able to view, save, and print all provincial, federal, and state tax forms. This includes new hire reports, W-2s, T-4s, and 1099s. When e-filing is required, Use the secure connection to the Atrix eFile Center to submit your file. Sage HRMS Payroll also offers a complete report library including time cards, bank reports, check direct deposit registers, general ledger reports or exports, workers' compensation reports, and earnings and deduction analysis reports, to name a few. For more advanced reporting needs, Sage HRMS Payroll includes a copy of Crystal Reports. This will provide you with even more capability to create in-depth analysis reports using any desired field from within your database. I would like to take a second to thank you for your time today, as this concludes the overview of Sage HRMS Payroll.